It's nice to see you again. Another beautiful week allows us to reconnect, allows us to love ourselves a bit more. That's my main goal, my main mission. And today we're going to be talking about part two of dry winter skin, which a lot of us are suffering with. And at the end, I wanted to give you a beautiful recipe, a DIY that you can use at home for your dry skin. And I know some of you are living a little bit everywhere around the world. So I live in Montreal, Canada, and we have a beautiful winter season right now. The white coat is on the floor, the white winter coat on on our slopes. People going skiing. The sun is shiny. Very happy outside. The trees are covered with their beautiful, some of them white gloves, some of them white coat. It's so beautiful to see. Anyways, I know some of you may not like winter because you may not know winter, but it's such a fabulous season because the sun is such at a different strength and power. It just absorbs you, it takes you in your arms, especially when it starts to snow and as the flakes are coming down. It's just gorgeous. So that's my little insight. I love the four seasons. Every single season brings us more joy, brings us a fact of connecting with the earth, connecting with nature. So that's one of the things I wanted to, a little bit of my heart today. So as I mentioned, I wanted to talk to you about how to take care of your skin, but at a different level. I don't know, some of you have dry skin, lack of moisture, maybe. So there's a lot of factors that this moisture has been created. Do you have a humidifier at home? Did you know that it could really help you? According to Harvard University, the settings from the humidifier at you set it at 60. It may help to bring back the moisture to the upper layer of the skin. So that's another huge factor that's really, really important that you may not maybe have not thought about. So another factor that you may have not thought about is about the skin. You do know that there is 7 layers of skin, right? So by the way, I'm doing this live directly on Facebook and Instagram. So sometimes I do look at a certain level, but I just wanted to let you know that. So this is the upper part of the skin, which deals with, there's 7 layers of skin from the epidermis, and then we have the different settings of the skin where we are different. The dermis, which is the second part right here, and we're talking about the upper part of the skin. We have a tendency of forgetting that what we see may also come from the inside out. So I'll talk about that in just a moment. So I just wanted to let you send you a little bit of a few questions. So if you're seeing this later, please hashtag replay and let me know what you thought about. Put a heart, share it with your friends. It would be fabulous to know exactly how you feel. And if you have any questions, what did you want to talk about next week, I'd be love to hear from you. One of the things I wanted to ask you about your skin, because naturally it touches your face, but also your body. What type of soap do you use? Do you wash your face with soap? It can be very harsh. It can dry up your skin. It can use up the oils of your skin. Or again, what type of laundry detergents are you using? That also affects your skin and because the laundry they use for your sheets, again, it can affect your skin. You know, try to avoid to touch the skin, but it does affect. Another thing that you can maybe not think about, if you go swimming very often in a pool that has too much chlorine, that also can affect your skin. So another thing to think about. Or again, in the wintertime, a lot of us go skiing, skating, walking outside, and sometimes there's a lot of wind. So the strong winds may zap your skin moisture. So that's why we need to be taking care of our healthy skin. how to take care of it. Some of the things that you can use, that you can think about, is the overnight treatments. According to Healthline, the omnilins that are present in the moisturizing of your skin, uh, you just have to be careful what type of moisturizer you're using for your skin, and look at the ingredients, read the ingredients. Don't be shy about that. For myself, I spoke to you about last week, I get really very, very dry hands also. They crack. So I personally put some cream on before I go to bed, and I use a cotton glove that I wear. I just bought this one. A cotton glove that I really wear with covering my hands so they can stay with the moisture. And you can wash this. It's very easy. You can find this in pharmacies. Really inexpensive, very practical. So those are the elements that are important to understand. And one of the things also that some people may not know is that go easy on exfoliants and scrubs. The exfoliant, which helps to remove the dead skin cells from the surface of your skin, can help your skin look smoother and vibrant. But it's important not to over exfoliate your skin too often, or again, using the wrong products. So if your skin looks dry, flaky, you may want to opt for a more chemical exfoliant rather than a physical scrub. So harsh scrubs with large particles may be more likely to break down your skin moisture barrier and cause damage. So if your skin is cracked, raw, or irritated, it may be the best to avoid exfoliation under your skin. So just something to think about. And I know last week I spoke to you about taking your showers, hot showers, avoiding the hot shower, taking showers that are mostly lukewarm water. That would be ideal. Another also alternative is finishing up with cold water to close up your pores. But however, when you do finish up your shower and you're just patting dry your skin, do not take the towel and just rub. Never rub whatever on your face, on your body. Just pat dry the skin and use oils right away so they can penetrate directly into um, your epidermis, the level of your skin. So choose, you can pick any type of oil which you like, which is shea butter, coconut, prickly pear oil, which I really like for my face, jojoba oil, which is fantastic. So in addition to the fact that you're hydrating, it's important also, that's for the outside. Now, to hydrate your skin, it's important to also understand whatever you are also eating affects your skin. So everything that's high in antioxidants, fantastic for your skin, or again, omega-3 fatty acids that are super important. So all of these elements allow you to maintain that moisture and keep it closed in, okay? So what I wanted to talk to you about, those are the elements which are really, really important. But also another thing that we tend to forget is the fact that you may have skin problems. You can avoid them by wearing harsh materials. Dry skin actually is no exception. If the skin on your body is extra dry, try wearing loose, comfortable, natural fabrics to reduce the risks of extra physical irritation. So it's something we never thought about. Also, avoid washing your clothes in regular detergent that I was telling you about. Try to pick a detergent that's mentioned that has no chemicals, harsh chemicals, fragrances, that's really formulated for sensitive skin. So again, if you're watching this later on, hashtag replay, let me know what you liked. If you wanted to talk about something else next week. So I wanted to talk about dry skin. So the DIY, what can I be using for my dry skin? I wanted to tell you something about something that I discovered with my kids when they were young. Oats. My kids had extremely dry skin, redness, and when they were babies, they're not even 8 months, and you're just like scratching and scratching. So I even had to put gloves on their hands. Until the point I didn't know which cream I was using. It wasn't exfoliating for my kids. And I found out about the oats. And it's just as good for young kids, just as good for us. So oats is a fantastic way of it keeps the moisture in your skin. It has antioxidants, minerals, vitamins. So let me give you the recipe. What I do is I use 6 almonds that I put in hot water at night, and in the morning I can take the skin out, and I use it in a mixture, and I just crunch them out, and I create a paste. So with these 6 almonds, the recipe is 6 almonds, 2 tablespoons of natural yogurt, 2 tablespoons of oats, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix everything up. So why do we use almonds? First of all, almonds also allows to tighten up your skin, and like yogurt also tightens up your skin, but yogurt gives you a more radiant face. So it's very soothing, and that's all you feel so wonderful afterwards. So naturally your face is clean. You put your mask on for a good 20 minutes. Just relax while you're putting your mask, enjoy it, take a cup of tea, and then you just rinse it out in lukewarm water and allow yourself you're going to feel again the beautifulness of your skin. Enjoy your skin, face yogis. There's so many elements that are important to enjoy your skin that we never take the time to do it. So if you enjoyed the video, please put me a beautiful heart. Share it with your friends. Get the chance to get to know my Facebook page, Face Yoga Passion. Instagram, same thing, Face Yoga Passion. And if you'd like to, I'd love to offer you a beautiful meetup, 30 minutes by Zoom, to find out and uplift your face session, allowing you to find out the 3 things that we do on an everyday basis that ages your skin. So if you're interested, put me a DM, uplift, just put the word uplift in the comments, and I'll send you the link so we can meet each other very soon. So face yogis, let me know what you'd like to talk about, and we'll be talking to you soon. Have a great day. Marie Kabis.